Hi everyone, my name is Ahmad Fauzan and I'm a student at Universitas Bina Sarana Informatika or UBSI. I study in the System Information program. I really enjoy learning about technology and computer is something I am passionate about. In my free time, I usually watch movies, playing guitar or hang out with friends. I describe myself as a friendly and curious person who loves to keep improving. My goal is to become a successful person in the tech field someday. That's a little bit about me. And now I would like to talk about a very important issue that affects our health, our environment, and our campus life. Smoking in the campus area. As we all know, smoking is one of the most dangerous habits in the world. It not only harms the smokers but also everyone around them through second-hand smoke. When people smoke on campus, the air becomes polluted and non-smokers are forced to breathe the same toxic air. This is unfair to those who want to stay healthy. Moreover, smoking in the campus area creates a bad image of our school. Image visitors, parents, or new students coming to our campus and seeing cigarette butts everywhere. It shows a lack of discipline and respect for our environment. We also need to remember that our campus should be a place for learning, not for smoking. A clean and healthy environment helps us to concentrate better, study better, and live better. If we allow smoking, we are sending the wrong message to others that it is acceptable to damage our health and surroundings. So, what can we do? First, we can start by setting a good example. Let's say no to smoking and encourage our friends to do the same. Second, we can support campus rules that ban smoking in all areas. And finally, we can educate others about the dangers of smoking and the importance of a smoke-free environment. In conclusion, a smoke-free campus is not just about following rules. It's about caring for our health, our friends, and our future. Together, we can make our campus a cleaner, healthier, and happier place for everyone. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, today I will explain about adverb of frequency. An adverb of frequency is a word that tells us how often we do an activity. It helps us describe the frequency of our daily action. The function is to give information about how often something happens. It is usually used in the simple present tense and answer the question how often. Here are some common adverb of frequency. Always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom or rarely, almost never, and never. Each adverb shows a different level of frequency. Example, always is 100 or every time, and never 0% or not at all. The others are in between. If the sentence has a main verb, the adverb is placed before the verb. Example, she always eats breakfast. If the sentence uses the verb to be am, is, are, the adverb is placed after it. Example, he is never late. If the sentence has an auxiliary verb like do, does, or can, that verb is placed in the middle. Example, do you often exercise in the morning? To ask about frequency, we use how often. Example, how often do you study English? Answer, I usually study English once a week. Here are some daily examples. I always brush my teeth. She often walks to campus, rarely watch TV. Always means 100% or every time. Examples, I always wake up at 5 a.m. Usually means normally or most of the time, around 18% until 19%. Example, she usually drinks milk in the morning. Often means many times or frequently. Examples, they often play football. Sometimes means occasionally or not at all the time. Example, he sometimes reads a book. Seldom or rarely means not often. Example, we rarely go to the mall. Never means not at all or 0%. Example, my cat never sleeps during the day. In negative sentence, the verb still follow the same position rules. Example, he doesn't usually watch TV. A common mistake is putting the verb after the object. That's wrong. Wrong, she eats always breakfast. Correct, she always eats breakfast. Now let's try to fill in the blanks with the correct adverb based on frequency. The first one is 50%, namely sometimes I go to the library. The second is 0%, which is never she never wake up late. The third is 70%, which is they often play badminton. That's all my explanation about verb frequency. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.